Welcome back everybody to the end roll. Last time we are going to the treacherous mountain based on the informant we interact with, and I Russell was with Gardenia. I don't know what will reveal on the next dialogue of the monster, so let's continue playing. Okay, let's go there. I'm gonna catch some monster encounters there later. Oh wait, where was it? Was there? Oh no. It's not here. Mm, 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 mm. Wait, where is it? Where is the monster? Where is the monster? Oh, probably. Um, okay, hopefully mix with that an ID card. Do 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 do. Where am I going next? Wait. Right. First, okay. Fuse. Oh. I am. Russell, your birthday was sad, wasn't it? No one came to you celebrate your birth. The sad birthday hid in the forest, in a tree under the carpet. Go down the stairs to recall the sadness. It feels like something changed somewhere in the dream. Okay, let's go. Where am I going? Somewhere in the forest. Head up. Okay. Under the carpet. Okay, on the west side, not south. So this. Up the compass. Okay. Under the carpet. Uh, Under the carpet. So, mean here? Yes. Oh, yes. Yes. Okay. Nice. Under the tree here. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Phone, should I make a call? Call. Yes, yes, this is Cantera Medicinal. Oh, it's you. What of it? Do you require medicine? I neglected to mention, but I do employ a fellow by the name of Deliver Deliver you Ryu Deliver you. Quite handy would you say, but I'll be have any need of my medicine. Fine for now. Well, don't be shy. Call me anytime you need any. Well, so long. I will. Who are you? Hello, I am Hintman, a spiritual dream thing. Even in places where monsters appear in droves, there is always a safe place. Your hint is the pink balloon. At pink balloons there is rest if you are tired from fighting. It should be good to relax. That is all for today's hint. Please, with respect, call for Mr. Hintman. Remember your hint manners. Manners or matters? Oh, okay, thank you. Ugh, fresh looking, incredibly fresh looking roses. Yeah, should I take a rest? Take a rest. A dresser is holding together on the whole, but the actual mirror is broken. Hmm? Something slept in the back. Obtain a homeward route. Pretty big house, huh? You could get lost on your own. These monsters are tough too. If you do get lost, not gonna look for you. Sorry. So definitely don't get separated. I mean, this house is scary. Okay, something's gonna pop out for sure. I said, isn't this house just huge? It's kind of random, but it's cool in its own way. There were just a big kitchen. There weren't, and there weren't the monsters or spider webs or crack walls. Hmm. Now that I think about it, I guess my current house is fine. Oh, okay. Yeah, let's go. Okay, hint. So this is the pink balloon. Two trial pills. Perfect. Oh, god damn it. Bang, bang. Oh, okay. This is the dialogue, okay? Answer this. Okay. Okay, tapos. Finished. 8 walnuts. Rifle obtained. Ah, dear. Whoa. Tug, 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 tug. Okay. A little bit of cheating. Oh man. A little bit of cheating, eh? This is the house of the sad birthday. The birthday of someone you know. Have you come to end the party? I don't think so. Just my luck, eh? To be dispatched into a weirdo dream like this. Oh, you the dreamer? Some dream you got there. You got here. You're right in the head. Oh well. I'm a dream sent trader. I go around peddling this and that in people's dreams. So let's get right into it. Today's item is a Super Bowl. Lets you do an attack on all enemies right then. For one Super Bowl. Okay, okay, right. Okay. Alright, here's the God's blessing in your dream ventures. What the hell? Even for user of that drug, this is one dangerous dream. But hey, it's profit for me. I'll see about it. There was a sad wailing inside. Oof, blood. That sound, did you hear that, Russell? Oof, is there really going to be a nice round frying pan in a case like this? I'm uneasy. Nope, I'm not going there yet. Ayun nga pala, hindi ko nabili ang musket. Balik, labas muna tayo. Ayan ko lang. Okay, Rasa 9. So 11. Okay. Awesome. Okay, nice. Person. Walnuts. Ice bullet. Okay. Let's go back. Ah. They are always saying that, huh? Yes, I will. It's just musket but with the plan. Oh my god. Okay. No commento. No commento on that. Okay, let's go. Oh man, I hate this. Okay, bang. Kablam. Kablam. Sayang. That was a waste of attack. Okay. Did. Bang. Kablam. Kablam. Oh, walnuts. Okay, let's call. Good capsule. Thank you very much. Six walnuts. Okay. I heard a muffled voice from behind the door. I desire sad feelings. I desire sad feelings. Knock. Sad feelings are beyond the wall. A different color, but certainly a wall. Sadness is beyond it. Laughter came from somewhere. Where are you, laughter? Is okay. Oh dear. Ako lagi ang ano. Oh. Ay, magigay. Bang, bang, bang. Ma'am. Bang, bang, bang. Will obtain. Okay, flame bullet. Homeward route. Nope. Oh man, that was demonic. It was a sad birthday. No letters came from anyone. Oh man. Okay. The wall seems different color. Should I try something? Push. The wall won't budge. Touch. It has a rough feel. It's faintly warm, as if it has body heat. Okay. Knock. I hear a muffled voice from behind the wall. Happy birthday, Russell. The utmost sadness lies behind the unopenable doors. But be careful, there are lots of cream inside the box, and it's itching to hurt you. So go give sadness so that you can better know your own mind. Oh dear. Okay, that was a little bit of fuckery. Okay. Sa pool. There are many things I'm thinking of. Should I do? I should do writing, maybe, or not. But I will continue writing the isekai story for now. After this, okay. Always Russell when the unsent letter monster. I heard a muffled voice from behind the door. I decided sad feelings. Just door open. Yes. A present box. Use sadness. Use. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. The top came off and something attacked. Boss. What's this? A birthday cake? Yeah, the melting one. Para tamaan lahat. Oh dear. Ding, bang, kaplam. Oh dear. Commenting, Gardenia, I give you lots of happiness, my angel. Papa loves you. Oh, Gardenia, if only you had wings. If only you had wings, then you'd float in the air and fly to me. Oh dear. Gardenia, I give you lots of happiness, my angel. Papa loves you. Oh dear. Yung yes, dead. Yes. Okay. Flame. Um. I was invited to a classmate's birthday party. It wasn't like we were friendly. It was the whole class that was invited to the party, not just me. Her family was rich and her dad made many, many incredible meals for her. He made the birthday cake too. Okay. So, this La painting one was a manifestation of Russell on her. I think so. Um, boom. Suddenly, I remembered something. I remembered today was my birthday too. Of course, no one knew that, so no one was celebrating me. During the party, I saw that desert girl alone on a staircase landing. I approached her from behind. Could this blessed angel fly? Asel, are you okay? There's no time to think now. We're almost there. Let's go. Bam. Okay, nice. Bam. 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 Yes. Monster's Manage 80 experience strength for coconuts capsule obtained. Okay, capsule obtained. What was that? Russell, are you okay? I like cake, but one that big would give me heartburn. How many would it feed, you think? Hey, in that box, obtain a round frying pan. Wow, around Sparky frying pan. Yes, yes, this is what I wanted. Got started by the surprise, but it was worth it. Russell, thanks a lot for helping me for it. Helping me look for it. I'll keep working on my cooking now. Yeah, I know. Let's go back to my house. I'll make something with this. Okay. Rotted roses. What? Oh dear. Okay, another one. Lamenting on my own existence. Huh? Yeah. Okay, I am finished with the fighting. Okay, let's end this recording. I will record this later on tomorrow early in the morning again. Bye everyone. God bless.